I'm Alka again here with you all. Today I've come up with a video on Ikebana Najer style. Now in this lockdown period, don't feel yourself being locked down from within. Just open up, indulge in creativity and love flowers and Ikebana. Ikebana is a Japanese art which is steeped in the philosophy to get connected with nature and flow with life from moment to moment. Najer is a wonderful style of Ikebana. It is a simpler form of Ikebana where you don't need any much of technique. You don't need floral form, you don't need a pin holder. Just simple flowers, few stems which you can select from your surroundings and just 2 or 3 flowers. That is just enough for Najer. For Najer, you need a tall container or vase. To fix the flowers or stem, you need crisscross twigs, which is known as hanakobari. You don't need pin holder. You can select the stems from your nearby surroundings, shrubs and trees, and you need just 2 or 3 flowers. So Najer is so simple form of Ikebana. In Ikebana, there are 2 to 3 lines as shin, so and tai, and same kind of lines you have in Najer as well. Shin is the tallest. Its length is around 1.5 to 3 times of the length and width of the container. The so is around 2/3 of the first line, that is shin, and tai is around 1/3 of the first line, that is shin. And with that, in addition, you can pluck any 2 or 3 flowers or 5 flowers to give the additional beautifying effect to your Najer. Now for selection of these basic lines, you can take any stems or branches from your nearby shrubs and trees. Now join everyone with me to learn this beautiful Ikebana, that is Najer, with me.
For Najer, we don't use any floral form. Even pin holder also is not allowed. So it's very easy and simple to make arrangement in which some twigs you can fix at the mouth of your vase like this. You should fill the vase with water first. Near about 3/4 should be filled up with water. To make the lines, I'm using Jatropha rosea. Jatropha rosea is a garden plant. You can select any of the branches like this. It's very simple. Natural curves you can use. So here goes the first line. This I'm going for slanting type of Najer. First line, and this I'll go for the second line. For the second line seems to be heavy, so I'll just reduce its length. Now for the third line after shin, so I'll be using this dressing to make cake or stand. I'm giving it front angle to make it more strong. I'm using tool You can see all the main lines are at different angles. For Najer, I'm using this glass container, glass vase, tall vase. I've fixed a crossbar, that is hanakobari, to hold the leaves and the material we'll be using. So let's begin with Najir arrangement. So this is the sheen. Yes. And this is the another line that is so. Little in front. I'll be using some green stuff. I'll be using some green stuff to make this tikki a bit stronger. I've cut it into 3 pieces, Aurelia. Now I'll be using either 3 jarbera or 5 jarbera as jushi to enhance its look. Najir, elegant and simple ikebana.
I hope you all enjoyed learning this Ikebana Najir style with me. If you have any queries regarding this Najir, then please do comment at the comment section below and do give me your feedback as well. And remember to send me the photographs of the Najir you make at my Instagram page. Follow me at my Instagram page and Facebook. Have a nice time. All the best to everyone. Have a good day. Goodbye everyone.